Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of the fully funded scholarship, the MEXT scholarship in Japan. This is the best scholarship in Japan. You can apply in this scholarship for bachelor's, master's and PhD programs. This scholarship covers your full tuition fee and provides monthly stipend, living allowance and free air ticket. You get the health insurance as well. You can also bring your family member with you. So this is the very good scholarship. So must apply in this scholarship. I will guide you the step-by-step application process, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, go to the official website of Embassy of Japan in Pakistan. I will share the link in the description. So you will come directly to this page. So go to the official website. A page like this opens. Here is the option of education. Click on the education button. After clicking on education button, a page like this opens. Here there are three scholarships: MEXT Research Scholarship, MEXT Undergraduate Scholarship and MEXT Teachers Training Student Scholarship. If you want to apply for Master's or PhD, then apply in MEXT Research Scholarship, and if you want to apply in Bachelor's degree, then apply in MEXT Undergraduate Scholarship. If you are applying for Master's or PhD, then you must have 16 or 18 years of education, and if you are applying for Bachelor's degree, then you must have 12 years of education. So the status of scholarship is now open, so must apply before the deadline. The process is same for both master's or PhD and undergraduate programs. So for master's programs, click on MEXT Research Scholarship. After clicking, a page like this opens. So here the required documents are mark sheet form, application form and research plan, and then attested copy of degree and transcript from the last universities attended. So there is only one difference, that you need research plan for master's or PhD and you don't need this research for undergraduate programs. And the deadline for master's or PhD programs is 26th May 2026. Now move back. Now let's check MEXT Undergraduate Scholarship. Click here. So after clicking, a page like this opens. The last date to apply for undergraduate programs is 5th June 2026. So apply before this deadline. Scroll down and the required documents include mark sheet form, application form and then academic detail mark sheet of secondary and higher secondary school. So the research plan is not required for undergraduate programs. Next document is attested copy of certificate of graduation of school. Then scroll down and then you need recommendation letter, attested copy of certificate of enrollment from current educational institution if applicable, but it is not compulsory. Next is hope certificate issued by institute, but this is for those students whose final result is expected by August 2026. Now first open the mark sheet form to check the details. Click here. The document is downloaded. Click to open. So now in the mark sheet form, you have to enter the grades of your previous degree, like intermediate, metric or others, including school or college name, your marks, and then enter your percentage, and then enter your course and name of major subject. Now move back and the next document is application form. So click on application form. A page like this opens. Scroll down and here is the application guidelines and then application forms. So click on application form for 2027. Click here. So here opens the application form for undergraduate students. You have to fill out this form. So scroll down. So first of all, enter your name, your gender, your marital status, then enter your nationality, then Japanese nationality if any, then enter your date of birth, scroll down, and then enter your current address, then enter your phone number and then your present status, click on student, and then specialized field of study, scroll down and then academic record. These are the instructions for academic record, so please read carefully and then apply. Next, enter the detail of your education level, your school name and then location, then year and month of enrollment, means graduation date. Scroll down and enter your remarks here. Next is, have you been awarded a Japanese government scholarship in the past, yes or no? So click on no. And then next is, are you applying for any other Japanese government scholarship? So click on no. Next, are you receiving or scheduled to be receiving any scholarship from any organization other than Japan? So click on no. So if you are receiving or applying for other scholarship, please specify. Scroll down and then enter your field of study. Enter your major subject, your first choice, second choice and third choice. Then scroll down and next is, specify the reasons why you selected each field of study and major in section 14, it means in above section. So enter the reasons for first choice, then reasons for second choice and then third choice. It may be your statement of purpose, but remember it should not be copy paste. Now scroll down and next is, what was the trigger for having an interest in Japan? So write the statement for your interest. Next is, what kind of things do you think you can contribute to Japan and your home country? So make a paragraph for this as well. Write the paragraph for yourself. Next is language ability. Enter the detail of Japanese, reading, writing, speaking, listening. If you don't know Japanese language, so you can choose 0 for poor. And then enter the detail of English language. Your English language should be excellent. Next is Japanese language qualifications and then English language qualifications. You can choose TOEFL, IELTS or other. Then scroll down and next is emergency contact information. So enter the detail of your emergency contact including name, current address, relationship to you, occupation and then phone number and then email. Now scroll down. Next, agree to the statement and then enter the date of application, year, month and date. So after completing this application form, move back to this page. Now your application form is completed and now you required certificate of health by a professional doctor and then you need recommendation letter sample. This is recommendation letter sample and make a recommendation letter according to this sample. So after completing all these documents, come to this page, scroll down and here is written, applicants who wish to appear for test and interview in Islamabad, then they have to send their application at the following address. And the applicants who wish to appear for test and interview in Karachi, then they have to send their documents at the following address. So copy the address from here and send your document to the following address. You don't need to submit your application to the Japanese embassy. Instead, you have to send your application to the following address and then your application process will be completed. So in this way, you are done with applying to MEXT scholarship in Japan. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.